Hello guys. Good afternoon. JC again. And we are in our third episode of our Fab Live. And in this video, I'll show you the basic and our regular preparation and maintenance of our CNC router machine. Right, let's go. Before we start, there are three things we need to clean the machine. First is a vacuum cleaner to remove all the wood dusts. Second is a lubricant, and we will going to use WD-40. The third thing we need is a cleaning cloth to wipe out the wood dust residue. The first step is to use the vacuum cleaner to remove the wood dust in the machine. The CNC router actually has its own vacuum to get rid of the wood dust while it's running, but we need to clean it more a little extra for a cleaner setup of the next user, which can be me. The second step is to wipe out all the wood dust residue on the machine's metal body. By using the vacuum cleaner, we can get rid of almost all the dust, but there will always be a residue. The third step is to spray a lubricant to all the machine's gear contact points. This is to make sure that the machine will move smoothly and there will be no mechanical problem for the next user. The last step, but not the least, is to check if there is still a room for the ShopVac to store the wood dusts. If there is none, the wood dust can be thrown away or it can be sold to a local gardener. In our case, there's still a plenty of room for the wood dust to be stored. And that's our regular maintenance for the CNC router machine.